so here we have a 2019 Ford Ranger SXT. As you can see, you've got the brand new face and design. I'm going to be walking through with you guys what it takes to properly prep and mask for a spray-on liner. Alright guys, so this is the initial step of the masking process. As you can see, here are all of the harnesses and caps. In this case, the customer wanted all the caps to be sprayed and prepped. Everything basically aside from these harnesses. Here you'll see the surface protector film has already been placed. This is in order to prevent surface scratches or overspray. You're gonna see the wire tape. It has been placed properly and strategically in order to create a perfect straight line. This Rhino lining material is extremely thick and sturdy, so if you don't have this wire tape, you will not be able to make the proper cuts and lining. So that wire tape goes all along the back of the bed in a perfect symmetrical line. And we have this 18-inch paper to protect the cab. All right guys, so we're gonna be entering the booth where the tailgate is. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to properly mask the tailgate for spray-on liner. First of all, we remove the plate in order to get complete access to the entire surface of the tailgate. We'll be removing that. If the wire tape is too low, then the Rhino will be applied to the surface and the tailgate will not be able to close and it'll be making contact on the lower part of the bed. So it goes all along the line, perfectly and strategically placed in a straight line. And we got the masking paper. And the plate will be masked and prepped separately. Alright guys, so here we have the 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. This is a Laramie. At this point it's already been completely masked and protected. It's been scratched and scuffed and cleaned with acetone in order to remove all finger smudges and oils. At this point the next stage is to spray on the bed the Rhino application. Hope you guys like this video.